Hello viewers, I welcome you all in 5 Minutes Information channel. This is episode number 115 and in this episode I will talk about the software and its category. Viewer guidance, you can get the notes and presentation of this video lecture mentioned on the link of this video description. In this episode I will talk about two main points. Number 1, what is software? And question number 2, what are the four main category of software? So come to the point number 1, what is software? Software is a set of computer programs and associated documentation and data. This is an in contrast of to hardware from which the system is built and which is actually perform the work. The software is considered as the language of the computer. Through the software, computer execute different commands. In simple words, the software is a set of instruction programs that are used to execute any particular task. Point number 2, what are the main category of software? There are four main category of software. Number 1, application software. Number 2, system software. Number 3, programming software. Number 4, driver software. Number 1, most common type of computer software and can be defined as an end user program that help end users to perform tasks or achieve a desired outcome. The end user is the person who is actually using the product or program. The example of application software include Internet browser, Google Chrome, Safari, Firefox. Number 2, system software. System software is a program designed to run computers, hardware, and application and manage its resources, such as its memory, processor, and devices. It also provides a platform for running application software. In other words, system software is a software designed to provide a platform for other software. The example of system software like operating systems of Windows, Linux, Unix, Macintosh. Each system software has its own set of unique characteristics. Number 3, programming software. Programming software is a program or set of programs which help the software developers to develop new program as per the user or client need. It helps software developers, programmers in designing, creating, debugging, maintaining, and other programs and application. Programming software has compilers, assemblers, debuggers, interpreters for the developing and running of the coding. Programming software is also referred as a software development tool or software developer tools. The example of programming softwares are Python, C++, Java, .NET, Oracle, C#. Number 4, driver software. Driver software is considered to be a type of system software. Driver software operates and controls devices that plug into a computer. These drivers make it possible for devices to perform their necessary function. The example of driver software like printer driver, USB driver, DVD or combo driver. Here I conclude the episode number 115. In this episode, I discussed two main points. Number 1, what is software? And number 2, what are the four main category of the software? I hope you like this video. Please comment and subscribe my channel 5 minutes information. I will back soon with another informative episode. If you have any question, you can connect me on my Gmail account, follow me on Twitter, and as well as subscribe my channel 5 minutes information and read my research article on ResearchGate. Thanks for watching till the end. Stay connected. I will back soon with another informative episode.